Hi everyone, it's Miss Landry. In this video I'm going to show you how to use a token board when we are doing our distance learning. So I've uploaded an example of the token board to the Google Classroom. So it says I am working for, and up in this spot you're going to choose a preferred activity for your child once they've done the tasks at hand. So that could be iPad time or time with toys, whatever it may be that is going to be motivating for your child. It may also be food. So what you are going to do is you're going to put a visual of the preferred activity or preferred item at the top, and you can use Velcro to connect them. I like to use these type of Velcro pieces that you can get at the dollar store. So you would stick a piece to the back of the visual, and then you would place a piece in each of the squares on the token board. So you would put 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of Velcro. From there, when you're at your workspace, as soon as the activity is completed, so we do our tracing activity first, as soon as the lines have been traced and completed, you're going to take the star that's at the bottom and you're going to move it over and show that they've earned their first star. And as soon as all 3 activities have been completed and you place all 3 stars into the token board, that means that they have earned their preferred activity. And so you can give them some time doing that and then repeat using the token board with some different activities later on.